Hello dear friends, let's welcome to Sunanda's Mathematics channel. In the previous video we have seen how to add the algebraic expressions. Today we are going to see how to subtract the algebraic expression. Let's see practice set 34. Subtract the second expression from the first. And the first problem is 4xy minus 9z and 3xy minus 16z. This is the horizontal arrangement. While subtraction, you can use the vertical method. See here. Once again, I will read the problem. 4xy minus 9z, 3xy minus 16z. So here I have arranged the problem vertically. 4xy minus 9z minus 3xy minus 16z. Check, the like term should be one after another because we can add or subtract only like terms. Now, while subtraction of the algebraic expression, the most important rule is that while subtraction, signs of the second terms are changing. It means what? If the term is positive, it becomes negative, and if the term is negative, it becomes positive because of this negative sign. In addition, we are not changing the signs. As it is, we are carrying out the operation by using the rules of signs. But while subtraction, you have to be most careful. Signs of the second terms are changing. Now see, this 3xy is positive, it becomes negative while the subtraction. And this 16yz negative, it becomes positive. The most important rule of subtraction. Now see, now it is simple. Now as usual, you are using the rules of signs. One positive, one negative, do subtraction, give sign of big numbers. When both are negative, add them and give the same sign. So here, 4xy minus 3xy. 4 minus 3, 1xy. Or you can write only xy. What is the meaning of xy? 1xy only. When number is not written, coefficient is not there, it means 1 is always there. Now here, minus 9z plus 16z. Again different signs. Different signs means subtraction. 16 minus 9, 7, and sign of big number. Now big number is positive. So what will come? Positive 7z. Like this you have to solve the problems of subtraction. It is more clear when you will solve the more problems. Now let's go for the second one. Second sum is very simple. The first algebraic expression is 5x plus 4y plus 7z, and the second expression is x plus 2y plus 3z. As usual, arrange them vertically. 5x plus 4y plus 7z minus x plus 2y plus 3z. As I have explained you the rules of subtraction, while subtraction, the signs of the second expression changes. Means what? If positive, it becomes negative. If negative, it becomes positive. Here all these three terms are positive. So these all turns into negative terms. Negative, here also negative, and here also negative. Here coefficient is not there. When coefficient is not there means 1 is there. So now it's very simple. 5x minus 1x. What remain? 4x. Here big number is 5. So positive 4x. 4y minus 2y. 4 minus 2, 2. Big number is positive. So plus 2y. Here positive 7z, negative 3z. One is positive, one is negative. Subtract and give sign of big number. That is positive here. 7 minus 3, 4z. This much simple. Understood? The second step is very important. Change signs of the second algebraic expression, all terms. Now the third problem. 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. This is the first term of algebraic expression. First algebraic expression. And second expression is 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. Now arrange it vertically. 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square minus 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. As I have told you, while subtraction, the signs of the second algebraic expression in that each term sign will change. Sign will change means if it is positive, it becomes negative. If it is negative, it becomes positive. Now this 26x square is positive, so it becomes negative now. Negative 8xy become positive and negative 17y square positive. Change all the signs of the second algebraic expression. Okay. Now 14x square minus 26x square or negative 26x square. One is positive, one is negative. What our rule says? When one is positive, one is negative, subtract and give sign of big number, or when both are negative, add them and give the same sign. Everywhere we are using rules of signs. Now one is positive and one is negative. So what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. So 26 minus 14, what will come? 12. But which sign? Big number sign. Big number is negative. So what will come here? Negative 12x square, because in variables we are not changing, as it is we are writing in addition and subtraction. Understood? When one is positive, one is negative, you have to do subtraction and give sign of the big number, and this is the most important rule. While subtraction of the algebraic expression, sign of every term of the second algebraic expression you have to change, and then you carry out the subtraction. Now here positive 8xy and here also positive 8xy. Here first it is negative, but what is the rule? While subtracting, change sign of the second algebraic expressions every term. So here 8xy plus 8xy plus 16xy. Then plus 3y square plus 17y square. Here both are positive now. Then when both are positive, 17 plus 3, 20. It's very simple. Plus 20y square. So what is the answer? Negative 12x square plus 16xy. Sorry. Plus 20y square. Understood? Let's go for the fourth example. See, 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square, and second expression is 16x square minus 17xy. In the first algebraic expression, 3 terms means it is trinomial, and in second algebraic expression only 2 terms means binomial. and you know it very well, terms are separated by positive or negative sign. So arrange vertically. 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square. Now in the second expression only two terms, so arrange it very carefully, like terms, search the like terms. Now 16x square will come downside of x square, and then 17xy will come, this negative 17xy will come downside of 7xy, and here y square's term is not there, so here no term. Now what our rule says? While subtraction, change signs of the algebraic expression of second algebraic expression and every term of it. Now here 16x square positive, so it becomes negative, and negative 17xy turns into positive 17xy. Now one positive, one negative. According to our rule, do subtraction and give sign of big number. 16 minus 6, 10, and sign of big number is negative now. So what will come? Negative 10x square. Now come at the second terms. Plus xy, here plus 17xy. Both are positive terms now. So you have to do the simple addition. 17 plus 7, 24, plus 24 xy. Here downside no term, so this plus 16y square come downside as it is. So what is the answer of this fourth problem? Negative x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Got it? Now come at the fifth example, last example of practice set 34. 4x plus 16z. In first algebraic expression only two terms, so it is a binomial. And second expression have three terms, so it is trinomial. 19y minus 14z plus 16x. Now while arranging the expression, see carefully, the like term should come one after other, so that we can add or subtract them. So 4x plus 16z. Now how to arrange? This 16x will come downside of 4x, minus 14z will come downside of 16z, and in the first expression y's term is not there, so write plus 19y downside next to negative 14z. Now according to our rule of subtraction, while doing subtraction, change sign of the every term of the second algebraic expression. Now this 16z is positive, so it becomes negative. This 14z is negative, so it becomes positive. And this 19y is positive, so it becomes negative. So don't forget to change the signs of the second algebraic expression, every term of second algebraic expression. Now negative 16x, positive 4x. Different sign subtraction. Very simple. Remember, different sign subtraction. So negative 16 plus 4. 16 minus 4, 12. Sign of big number. Big number is 16 and its sign is negative. So negative 12x. Then positive 16z, positive 14z. Here first it is negative, but according to the rule of subtraction, the signs are changing. So what will come? 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry. 1, 2, 3. So 30, but positive 30z. And this positive 19y becomes negative, upside no term. So as it is, it will come with the change in sign. negative 19y. So what is the answer? Negative 12x plus 30z minus 19y. One extra example I will take for practice. In practice set only 5 are there. One more I will take. See here, 14x square y plus 3xy plus 9yz. This is the first algebraic expression. 3 terms are there, so it is a trinomial. And second algebraic expression is 14x square y minus 3xy minus 9yz. Arrange it properly. First equation as it is, minus 14x square y minus 3xy minus 9yz. According to rule of subtraction, change all the signs of each term of the second algebraic expression. So here negative, here positive, and here positive. Now 14x square y minus 14x square y. 14 minus 14, 0. So this term cancel. 3xy plus 3xy. First it is negative. After that it becomes positive according to the rule of subtraction. So plus 3xy plus 3xy, 6xy plus 9yz plus 9yz. Here it is negative, but it becomes positive according to the rule. 9yz plus 9yz plus 18yz. So here first term get cancelled because 14 minus 14, 0. There no need to write here 0 also. So what is the answer of this subtraction of algebraic expression? 6xy plus 18yz. I think so you got the rules of signs here, and these rules are very, very important because you are going to use the rules whenever you will do study of mathematics up to 10th or 12th standard. Once again I will revise the rule. While adding or subtracting the numbers, when one is positive, one is negative, subtract the numbers and give sign of the big number. And when both numbers are negative, add them and give the same sign. Hope so you understood practice set 34, how to subtract the algebraic expressions. If you like the video, please give likes and share it with your friend so that they will get benefit. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.